How to make custom frames in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and then click on Upload. Upload the picture. Make sure background is removed of the picture. You can simply find background remover in Canva, but it is paid version. After that, simply go to Apps and then search for Image to Frame. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the first one that pops up, which is Image to Frame. Simply click on Open. After that, simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you need to choose file from your folders. Add the folders file and then click on Add Frame to Design. After that frame will appear, simply drag it to the image you removed background from, then you're good to go. But to do this, you need pro version of Canva. That's how to make custom frames in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.